the second video, I will tell you my 3 stories of unforgettable moments. The first moment, when I was child. At the time, I was sick and my dad cried and said to me that he could bear it and was willing to give his life for me so that I will be healthy and always happy. The second moment is incident in my life that will never be forgotten. That is when I was in junior high school and I got first place, and I saw how proud my parents were at the time. And the most recent moment, the one when I passed out and had to be escorted to the pharmacy to get medicine because I suppose I'm just exhausted, is one that I never would have anticipated, and I often pass out when I got the puskesmas. I diagnosed with anemia until I was eventually taken to the hospital for the first time and treated there. Not only do the best moments of our life remain in our heart, but also the most difficult paths that made us stronger for all time. Life is more lovely. We only get one chance to live. Families and friends continue to be a part of our life and help us successfully. We must adjust to every circumstance and acquire new knowledge. Life adjusts for us in ways that might improve our mood.